Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to explore failed aviation designs in history. Chandrayaan-2 was India's second lunar exploration mission, launched in July 2019 with the aim of exploring the Moon's South Pole region. While the mission was largely successful in many aspects, there was a partial failure during its landing phase. When the lander, Vikram, lost communication with mission control and subsequently crash-landed on the Moon's surface. The mission consisted of an orbiter, a lander, and a rover, with the primary goal of exploring the Moon's South Pole region. The orbiter, however, continued to operate successfully and gather data from lunar orbit. The failure of the lander can be attributed to a combination of technical and operational factors. The key phase of the lander's mission was the powered descent, during which it had to execute a series of controlled maneuvers to gradually slow down its speed and gently touch down on the Moon's surface. The glitch occurred during this phase, specifically during the fine braking phase, which is a critical moment when the lander is just a few kilometers above the lunar surface. One of the critical parameters for a successful landing is accurate velocity calculation. The onboard navigation and guidance systems use data from various sensors to estimate the lander's altitude, velocity, and orientation relative to the Moon's surface. A discrepancy in these calculations can lead to incorrect decisions by the onboard computer. The erroneous altitude calculation caused the onboard computer to shut down the lander's engines earlier than intended. As a result, the lander lost the necessary thrust to complete a soft landing and instead impacted the Moon's surface at a higher than expected velocity. This led to a hard landing, damaging the lander and causing the loss of communication. The hard landing impact caused the communication link between the lander and the Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO) mission control to be lost. The loss of communication prevented mission control from receiving real-time data about the landing process, making it difficult to intervene and correct the situation. It's important to note that space missions are extremely complex endeavors involving multiple intricate systems, intricate calculations, and a multitude of variables. The slightest deviations or errors in calculations can lead to significant consequences. Despite the landing failure, the Chandrayaan-2 mission's orbiter has continued to operate successfully, collecting valuable data and imagery from lunar orbit, contributing to the scientific knowledge about the Moon's geology and environment.